Welcome to this course by Route Fabric. In today's session, we're going to cover volume types of storage, SSD and HDD. In AWS, when you're spinning up an EC2, you're going to come across a box that you can tick to determine what type of storage you're going to have for your EC2. And we're going to examine those features in AWS console in just a minute. But take a look at the screen. There's a lot on the screen. However, this is very important to understanding the volume type of storage, use cases that you can set up with your EC2. Solid state, as you can see, is going to be general purpose. Throughout this course, we've used general purpose SSD, GP2. It's generally good for just a lot of things. It has a good balance of price and performance. It's going to work pretty good overall for most loads and has low latency. The API name is GP2, so if you see GP2, it's also general purpose. And here are some of the limitations. The volume size, the max size, 16,000 Iops is very key to note. Next is provision Iops, SSD, IO1. If you are working with a mission critical data and you need low latency and high throughput, you want to select provision Iops SSD. It's for critical business applications, especially when you need more than 16,000 Iops or 250 MIB of throughput per volume. So take a look at this column as well for some of the limitations, and it works up until 64,000 Iops. Mission critical, you want to go with provision Iops SSD. If it's just general overall, you can go with GP2. HDD, there are two different flavors. If it's frequently used data, you're going to go with throughput optimized. It's for throughput intensive workloads. This is for streaming, big data, data warehousing. This is what you want to use. The API name is ST1, and take a look at some of the limitations as well. Cold HDD, this is for infrequent access for workloads. And take a look at some of the features here. The API name is SC1, and here are some limitations of it. So let's take a look at the console for some of the where you can actually find this. So if we're going to the console, you're going to type in EC2, and we're going to take a look at spinning up an instance. EC2 dashboard. It's a little slow today. It'll get there. It's spinning. It's getting there. Okay, we're going to launch an instance. And we're going to take note that at this screen, instance type, we're gonna go to configure, and let's do add storage. Right here is where we're going to be able to choose the volume type. In the next video, we're going to actually spin one up and use the volume type. So I hope this was informative, and if you'd like to know more about volume types, you can check out our course at routefabric.com.